Hello everyone, CodePurpose here. We are going on with our 8th exercise, TSORT. In this exercise, as we can see from the name, we have to do a sort. Let's see what type of sort we need. We have given an array or a list of numbers and we need to sort them in a decreasing order. So in the first line we read a number which represents the number of elements in that list, and in the next line, T lines, we read an integer number between 0 and a million. Let's start doing that. Firstly, as we said, we need an integer number, the number of elements in that array. After reading that, using the syn command, we declare an array of n integer elements named a, and using a for cycle, moving through the indexes from 0 to n-1, we read the ai element, again using the syn command that reads input from the console. And even if C++ is one of the oldest programming languages and has a lot of dark side, a lot of bad stuff, like not accepting big integers, which there are some new languages like Python that represent big integers and a lot of other ready functions. In this case, C++ has his bright side, where they thought this through and they made a ready function to sort our numbers without needing for us to write them. This function is located in the algorithm library. There are some other functions too, which we may use in some of other ideas. So we write the keyword sort, calling the sort function that is included in the algorithm, and as the first parameter we send a, as the second parameter a plus n. What is the first parameter of this function? The first parameter of this function, the first parameter is the starting address of the array, and the second parameter is the address until where we want to sort. So if you don't know about arrays, let's talk a bit about them. If you have declared something like this, a of n, it declares an array of n elements, where if we use a of I, we use the ith element of that array. But if we write instead of a of I, if we write only a, the name of an array represents the starting address of that array. So if we write only a, that represents the starting point, and if we write a plus n, that represents the last element of the array. So after using this, we just need to output them, the elements, using the cout command that prints data to the console, and we just print a of I and a new line. This should do the work. Let's copy it, let's go submit and check if it's okay. Let's delete this. Okay, go submit. Okay, the TSORT exercise solution is here, and we are testing it if it's correct. We're waiting it for submission. Yeah, and we got a correct answer, a correct solution, which passed in 1.26.57 seconds. And that's all for this exercise. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button. You can also turn on notification by clicking the notification bell to not miss the upcoming videos. See you soon, CodePurpose.